everyone. I hope you people are good and you are solving questions. Let us for now do this one. In the circuit shown in figure, find charge on each capacitor. So by first glance at the circuit, we will get feelings like which capacitors are in series, how we will take current direction, how we will find the equivalent, then net voltage equivalent. Somewhat complicated it looks, but I mean, more complicated it looks, more simpler it is, I would say. How? जैसे देखो यहाँ पे both the batteries are having same potential, right? And let's do one thing. जैसे ऐसा कुछ battery होता है ना, ऐसा. And if potential difference is V given, so we can assign potential to its individual terminals, negative and positive terminals, such that their potential difference will be equal to V. So let's say this has a potential of 0, negative terminal. Then this should have a potential of V, giving potential difference equal to V. Similar thing we are going to do here. So let's say this is point A, this is point B, and this is your C, and this is your D. So point D की potential को हम क्या मान सकते हैं? We can, if we give potential, D point is directly connected to positive terminal of this battery. Let's give it potential of V. Then another terminal, negative terminal is connected to B point. It will have a potential of 0, making potential difference equal to 0. Similarly, point A will have a potential of 0 and C will have a potential of V. Now, what is the significance of this symbol? इस symbol का significance ये होता है कि if this is the wire and if this is another wire and it is like this, then we will say that this wire is not touching this wire. ठीक है, ये इसको टच करके नहीं जा रहा, वन इज क्रॉसिंग अनदर सिंपली. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे इन दोनों BD एंड AC आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी कॉन्टैक्ट्स, रादर वन इज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ अनदर. सो इसको आप उठा के बाहर भी लिख सकते हो. BD वाला जो कनेक्शन है ना, उसको आप ऐसे भी इधर भी लिख सकते हो. दिस इज लाइक दिस इज लाइक दिस. इस ब्रांच को उठा के इधर भी रख सकते हो क्योंकि this is on the top of this, so you can simply shift it like this also, but it is not required here. But anyway, you can do that. Now we need to solve this circuit. अब आप ध्यान से देखो, what is the potential difference across capacitor 1? That is 0, B minus V. Potential at C, D minus potential at C. Both have same potential, 0. So इसके across कोई charge नहीं जाएगा. It means we can remove this branch from the circuit. Similarly, capacitor 3 पे focus करो. A and B has same potential. And capacitor third का जो दो plates है, they are connected to point A and B directly, right? So across it also potential difference is 0, and that is why there won't be any current flowing through this. Potential is 0 means charge is 0. So no charge will go on capacitor third. It means you can simply remove these two capacitors 1 and 3 from the circuit. In that case, अगर आपने इसको हटा दिया, सर्किट कैसा दिखेगा? कुछ ऐसा. अब ये सर्किट देखो कैसा है. दिस सर्किट इज सिंपल की दिस इज अ सिंगल लूप सर्किट. जैसे आप सपोज कर लो यहां से कुछ भी करंट को निकाल रहे हो, आई को. सो आई विल गो लाइक दिस, इट विल गो लाइक दिस. अब यहाँ पे कनेक्शन तो है नहीं कि डिवाइड होगा करंट, नहीं. इट विल गो लाइक दिस, कम लाइक दिस, नाउ इट विल गो लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सिंगल लूप सर्किट. कैन यू सी? यहां से जो भी आई करंट आया, सेम आई करंट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू आउट, सॉर्ट ऑफ, है ना. सो दिस इज अ सिंगल लूप सर्किट. आई सेम करंट थ्रू आउट तभी फ्लो कर सकता है जब तुम्हारा सर्किट का शेप ऐसा हो. यहाँ पे बैटरी हो, यहाँ से करंट निकला, ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. So this is a single loop circuit. You can redraw it like this. So इस वाले को यहाँ लिख दिया हमने, इस वाले को यहाँ लिख दिया, 4 को लिख दिया, 2 को लिख दिया. सिंपल है, तुम दो सर्किट बना लो. सच दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड वन थिंग, वोल्टेज को बैटरी को रीड्रॉ करने में ध्यान देना होगा. You just need to check कि both batteries have tendency to send current in same direction or opposite. So let's call it battery 1, let's call it battery 2. So battery 1 has tendency to send current in this way, so in this way. And 2 has also tendency to send current in this way. So both are trying to send current in the same direction, right? So their voltage or their EMF will get added. Potential difference there will get added. ठीक है. सो जब आप सिंगल लूप सर्किट बनाओगे ना, तो आप ऐसा बनाना कि दोनों का करंट टेंडेंसी क्या हो, सेम डायरेक्शन में हो. क्योंकि इट्स पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल विल ट्राई टू सेंड करंट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, ऑल्सो दिस वन इज ट्राइंग टू सेंड करंट इन दिस डायरेक्शन. दे आर इन सेम डायरेक्शन. बिकॉज in this loop it was like that is why we have redrawn it like that. अगर आपने redraw किया और गलती से इसको ऐसे कट दिया and then you are doing like this, then ये वाली सर्किट जैसे यहाँ पे जो मैंने बनाया, this circuit and this circuit are not same. Then why? Because here you just see this is trying to send current in this way and this is trying to send current in this way. Sorry, both are colliding, right? Both are in the opposite direction, which is not true here, right? So redraw करना है, circuit should look like this one, not this one. ठीक है, अब देखो इस सर्किट, दिस इज सिंगल लूप सर्किट, यू कैन इजिली सॉल्व इट. बोथ batteries are sending current in same sense, so E equivalent will be how much? V plus V, so that is equal to 2V. Both capacitors are in series, so C equivalent will be how much? Are they having same capacitance? Yes, C, right? So इनका C equivalent क्या होगा? That will be C into C by 2C, so that is your C by 2. Now what we were asked to calculate, सर्किट में निकालना क्या था बताओ? फाइंड चार्ज ऑन ईच कैपेसिटर. सो आप चार्ज निकालो, सी इक्विवेलेंट तो हमें पता है, क्यू कितना होगा, हाउ मच चार्ज विल गेट फ्लोन इन द सर्किट. इसको आप फर्दर ऐसे इस सर्किट को बना सकते हो. दिस हैज अ this thing, ठीक है, and then there are two capacitors like this, ठीक है. This has a voltage of 2 volt, this is C1, this is C, this is C. So this is 2 volt, V volt will drop here, V volt will drop here, so CV will the charge on each कैपेसिटर. ऐसे भी Q, नेट Q अगर आप निकालोगे तो C by 2 into 2 भी आएगा, so that is also CV, right? So in series same amount of charge will stay on both the capacitor, that is equal to CV. Done it? So I hope you have understood this question and I hope you enjoyed solving it. Question was not difficult, very much easy. We just wanted to look at things very carefully. So I hope you have understood it. And if you got confused somewhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Keep on solving more number of questions. Take care of yourself and enjoy reading. Bye bye. Take care.